It's a new year, I don't know what to bring. If you pull up on me, I'm giving everything. 2018, money already made. 2019, JK, yesterday.
Y'all see him? What's up? Y'all see the vibe? Literally just under my house right now, cleaning everything out, waiting on my package to come in. Yeah, so I just figured spraying down everything. I got hella oil going everywhere. The bike needs a wash too, you know, since sitting here. Maybe one day, once my car's done, we'll go hit some parks and record some videos on that too. Yeah, but right now I'm just spraying my car down. Currently waiting on my lower and upper control arms for my car, or the upper camber kit, whatever you guys want to call it. Some of y'all get triggered when they call them control. Look at that spider. Y'all see that thing? Little bitty one. Might soak them. I hate spiders. I don't know about y'all, but I hate spiders. Yeah, so we're just spraying everything down. I already sprayed under my car, everything else. Yeah, so give me a second. You can finish spraying all this shit out real quick. Man, it's been a while since I even rode this damn bike. Even my hood needs a spray, you know? Man, look at these ugly rear lights. Like, ugh, I don't know how I did it before, but that's just disgusting looking. Look at, like, dude, really? Look at this. Like, spray all that shit off. Come on, maybe one day my car will be done, you know? Yeah, but yeah, so pretty much I've been just cleaning everything. I cleaned my subframe because before I did say I wanted to get it powder coated, but I figured I'd just degrease it. You know, I didn't really see there was a reason to make a video of me degreasing it, but I degreased the shit out of it. It's still a little dirty, but I think it's just like rough. It's not really more degrease, or not degrease. But yeah, that's like pretty much as clean as I could get it. I did clean the sway bar a little bit as well, but yeah, that's the subframe. It looks like that on both sides. Under my car, it's gonna look nuts when I get everything finally. Yeah, I just put my motor. I just wanted to clean everything up. It was getting messy, and I was watching the video yesterday, and I was like, it's time to fucking clean everything. Yeah, that's my subframe here. Clean that out real good. Pretty degreased. Under this side, this side right here. Same shit on the other side. Yeah, but I figured I'd make a little quick video. Waiting on my packages. So once my package get here, we'll do an unboxing on the lower control arms for the front, which you guys will see what they are, and then we'll do the upper camber kits, and yeah, I'll pretty much show you guys everything, and then after I have to go to work. So yeah, let's pretty much fast forward till we get the parts, or until they come and knock on my door, whatever. But yeah, I'll see y'all then. Alright, what is up, y'all? I literally just got back home from work. These are outside of my house. I got home, put some light down here. Yeah, so pretty much this is an unboxing video of the suspension stuff I got, which is not really suspension, but we got the upper control arm, I'm guessing, and the lower control arm. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna get straight into it. I literally just got off work, so I just want to get this stuff out of the way. Yeah, we're gonna start off with unboxing this one. It's just pretty much like a review, an unbox video, kind of. You know how you want to call it, but it's like a shoebox. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this around here. Trying to give you guys a good view. I got my head cam on right now, so right after that you can see quite a bit amount of bubble wrap. Ktuned sticker, nice to have them. First Ktuned sticker I have. Alright, so Here we have the upper camera kit. And I've been waiting to get one of these in the mail for quite a while now. Let's see what they did there. Man, look at this thing. This thing looks serious. I can't wait to actually put this on my car and see how everything looks. It looks good. Strength of it feels good. I mean, I'm squeezing it, so they said these need to be torqued down to 22 pounds, I'm guessing is what they said. Let me clean that. I don't know. Alright, yeah, sound looks a little better. But yeah, these are my Ktuned upper controller. I'm actually don't mind the iPad over here. I'm just pretty much like making sure I have a good view of everything. But yeah, these are the upper camera kits. Pushing seem pretty good. Alright. Yeah, let's get this other one out of here. Go ahead and pull this. This there. Set this on top. Man, that looks good. I like it already. These are definitely the pieces that go with this one. Give you bolts, nuts. Nice. It's good because I don't have any nuts to put on there. Alright. These are those. Sweet. Okay, let's see. Okay, they did put 2 in here. I thought they only had 1, but there's 2 that come in this, so nice. Alright, we got the other one for the right side. That was the left side one there. Put that in the corner. Oh shit. I'm on my knees, it hurts. But yeah, that's the right hand side one, pretty much same shit. I mean, this looks real good. I've thought about running other brands, but a lot of people told me to run with these. And I honestly like the color of them and how they look, and I mean, I'm pretty happy I ran with these. I'm not dogging on any other company, but Ktuned 2 was my other option, and I ended up just running with these just to go along with the lower control arms that I have. So yeah, these were, I tried to find these in spherical, but I couldn't find them, so we just went with regular bushings, which is no big deal. Okay, well, I completely just ripped that open, whatever. We'll put them through there just so they're there. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this box out of here. Alright, so this is another thing that we really need for the car. Knife, not knife, scissors. Cut those things open. Boom, boom. Alright, throw it over there. Pick it all up when it's done. Alright, these I got in zero. These are the lower control arms. My sticker was damaged, probably from how heavy this is. No big deal, we have one there. But yeah, these look serious. Like, I haven't even taken out of the bag yet, and I'm already talking about them. That looks real good. Wow. Yeah, there we go. These are my lower control arms, spherical bushings. I don't really know what that is there. A little bit of a paint feel, maybe they hit something on it. No big deal. It's gonna be under my car, so I'm not like too stressed out about it. Yeah, there's paint flaking on it. That's all it is. Whatever. This is gonna be covered up. To some other people, it might be a big deal to them. No big deal to me though. Yeah, these are the lower control arms, spherical. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm holding up to the camera. These are all spherical bushings. I mean, this is gonna make a shit ton of a difference in my car. And I can't wait to put these in there. Take this one out as well. And I mean, I'm actually like really digging these parts right now. Yeah, a couple of these parts are a little bit damaged. I don't really think it's damaged. I just think it's more of a paint chip. Like, maybe it was just, I don't know. No big deal though. They're not damaged. They're just the paint's chipping off. No big deal to me. I'm just showing it so you guys don't point it out. Call it out on the video. I don't really care. But yeah, there's little chips. There's one there and one here. No big deal. I mean, I think the color of this looks pretty good. It's kind of hard to see it on the camera, but I can see it in person and it looks good. I'm really digging it. So yeah, here goes a Ktuned lower control arm and upper control arm unboxing video. I will be installing these probably tomorrow because it's my day off tomorrow. I have nothing to do. So yeah, this is gonna be a video, an unboxing video. Here's the upper control arms, upper camber kits, however you guys wanna call them. Yeah, these are what I'm running with, and yeah, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and take this camera off, and I'll get this video going and post a video for you guys. And yeah, hope you guys like the choice I'm running with. Either way, if you don't, I'm still gonna run it. But yeah, so everything's gonna come along. So I don't know. I don't really know how to end this video. But yeah, pretty much this is just an unboxing video, and then tomorrow I'll be installing most of this stuff. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next episode.
Airplane mode for the evening. Detox, let me go and breathe.